The topic of this video is how to unblock the Instagram account that you blocked. So let's get started. Activate your Instagram account. In the absence of one, on an Android smartphone, simply install the app from the Google Play Store and then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. I have opened my Instagram account. Scroll down and open any one account by pressing the account name. I am going to open this one. Press three dots from the top right corner. A pop-up will appear with some options. The second option is block. Simply press it and block it first for unblocking. Then confirm the block by pressing the block option from the bottom. You have successfully blocked it. Go back to the main page of Instagram. Press the home icon from the bottom left corner. Home page will appear. Now press the three bars from the top right corner. A page with different options will appear. The first option is Settings and Privacy. Press it and another page will appear. Scroll down and you will get the option of Blocked. When you press it, your blocked accounts will appear. And in front of the accounts you will see the Unblock option. Simply press it and unblock the account you want to. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Press Unblock again. And unblock the account. Do it again. If you want to unblock further accounts. That's how you can unblock Instagram accounts you have blocked. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.